Email verification failed on Kraken Fix. If you're signing up for Kraken and your email verification isn't working, don't worry. Many users face this issue, but it's usually easy to fix by following a few steps. Start by carefully checking the email address you entered. A small typo, extra space, or missing character can prevent the verification email from being sent. Accuracy is essential. Next, check your inbox thoroughly, including spam, junk, and promotions folders. Automated emails from Kraken are sometimes filtered incorrectly by Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Once you locate the verification email, click the link promptly, as these links often expire quickly. If you still haven't received it, request a new verification email from the Kraken website. Resending the link resolves the issue for most users. Sometimes the problem is related to your browser or device. Clearing your browser cache, switching browsers, or using a Kraken mobile app can help ensure the email is delivered. Email providers occasionally block automated messages. If this occurs, consider registering with a different email address, preferably Gmail or Outlook, which are more reliable for verification emails. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Kraken support. Provide details about the failed verification, and they can manually verify your account so you can start trading immediately. Remember, check your email carefully, inspect all folders, resend the verification link if necessary, try a different browser or device, and contact support if needed. Following these steps will quickly resolve most email verification issues and get you trading on Kraken without delay.